Let's talk about waste. If you're new to Waitaki or your mind is a bit foggy when it comes to dealing with waste, here's a short summary of your options you'll have. Firstly, and probably the most obvious, is the Waitaki Resource Recovery Park, owned and operated by the Waitaki Resource Recovery Trust, which is located just down from the Oamaru Public Gardens along Chalmers Street. They primarily deal with recycling plastics, glass, cardboard and paper, and also accept broken or obsolete technology, battery cells and small volumes of household waste. If you have an item which you no longer need but is still in good condition, you can give it to the Get Sorted shop, which is located on site and sells second-hand goods, eliminating them from the waste cycle. They also take on green waste, but not your smelly grass clippings, and have a brand new garden centre on site where you can buy seedlings and plants for your garden and maybe even some mulch. And be kind to these guys, they're doing their part to help you do yours. As for household waste, for the things you can't recycle or compost, you can use one of these, a wheelie bin. If you live in Oamaru or close to Oamaru, these are available from 3 businesses, Awamoa Bins and Skip, Waste Co and Waste Management. All you need to do is get in contact with one of these teams who specialise in hiring out bins and skips of all different sizes and collecting them from the curb outside of your home. Their contact details are on the Waitaki Council website, so give them a call or an email or drop in and say hello and learn about how you can hire your own bin. Lastly, for Oamaru, there's a waste management transfer station at the North End in Industrial Place. They mainly accept waste, especially larger loads, but also accept recycling and green waste. Remember, disposing of waste is always more expensive, so do your wallet and the environment a favour and recycle or reduce your waste as much as possible. So what about the country folk? Some of you, depending on where you live, may be able to get a wheelie bin for waste too, but there are heaps of other great facilities also. In Herbert, Papakayo and Enfield, there are some free recycling depots where you can take your clean household plastics, cans, cardboard and at some sites, glass. But remember, even though these services are free, if they get misused, council might need to remove them, and nobody wants that. In larger towns of Omarama, Otamatata, Kura and Hamden, there are transfer stations operated by friendly locals that also accept recycling free of charge, as well as small loads of household waste and green waste. In Palmerston, there is a landfill for waste and volunteers at Wahimo Waste Busters do a great job of providing recycling services to the community. Go in and see what they can do for you. So there are heaps of services out there for you and your family to use. All of these options have been put in place to help the community make better decisions and protect our amazingly unique district. The beauty of the current system is that you choose the services you want and you only pay for what you use. The more you reduce, reuse and recycle, the more you save. For more information, visit the Waitaki District Council website at www.waitaki.government.nz. Haere rā.